Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Yewale tea at home. Start by gathering Yewale leaves, clean water, and a small saucepan. Measure 2 teaspoons of leaves per cup and preheat water to just below boiling. Add leaves, simmer gently for 3 to 5 minutes, then strain into a cup. Sweeten lightly if desired and sip warm to enjoy the calming, herbaceous notes and relaxing ritual. Gather your ingredients and tools before you begin. Measure 2 teaspoons of dried Yewale leaves per 8 oz cup and fill fresh water to match the number of cups you want. Use a small saucepan and a fine mesh strainer for clean pouring. Consider optional honey or a slice of lemon to complement the tea. Keep everything within reach so brewing stays smooth and pleasant throughout the process. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like for more simple tea guides. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for reading recipes and tea notes by the kettle, with glare-free pages and long battery life. I find it handy when trying new blends or storing recipes. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Bring water to a vigorous simmer and add the measured Yewale leaves. Reduce heat and simmer gently for 3 to 5 minutes to extract flavor without bitterness. Remove the pan from heat and strain the tea into cups using a fine sieve. Taste and adjust with a small amount of honey or lemon if you like. Serve immediately to enjoy the freshest aroma and a perfectly balanced herbal cup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.